Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to find about this value in here. Later that we calculate about this integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have number 2, number 4 and 52. They are even number. So we can do about factorization by number 2. Next, about 26. That's about 1 plus 21. Because I want to create about identity in here. So we have s minus 1 to the power of 2. Next, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s minus 1 equal to 5 tan t, because if I put this one go in here, we have 25 tan t square. Number 25, we can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1, we change secant of t square, and later that we simplify by ds. So we do first the derivative for the both sides. We have ds equal to 5 secant of t square dt. So I will put this one go in here. ds we change by this one. This one is about 25 tan t square. Number 25, we can do about factorization. This one is about secant of t square. Now we need to simplify 5 secant of t square and 25 secant of t square. So we have 1 over 5. And this one we can write into dt over 10, because number 2 multiplied by 5, you got about 10. And we have t over 10, and we put about c. About t in here, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 5. And we got about t equals to arctan of this one. So I will put this one to replace for t. And this is the answer for question number 1. Now we go to question number 2. After we find the value in here, we can put the bounds. So we put the bounds gone here, and this one gone here, and we have the limit. The limit number 1, that's about 8 approach to positive infinity for this one, minus the limit number 2, that's about b approach to negative infinity. I need to put a in here, and we have this one. Now we change s into b. We know that when a go to positive infinity, so this one they go to positive infinity. So arctan of positive infinity, you got b over 2. So we have 1 over 10 multiplied by b over 2. This one, when b go to negative infinity, this one will go to negative infinity. Arctan of negative infinity, you got negative b over 2. So we have negative b over 2 in here. We need to simplify. That's about b over 10. This is the end. Thank you for watching.